everyone. Welcome back to the Speak Easy English podcast, where learning English feels fun, natural, and friendly.
And I'm Marcus, your calm co-host, who tries to keep Diana from ordering dessert before the main meal.
Hey, dessert is happiness on a plate. Don't judge me.
I'm not judging. I just don't want you to start a food revolution.
Today's topic is super useful. Ordering food at a restaurant in the English.
Yes, because we all love food, and we all need English when we eat outside, especially when the waiter looks at you and your brain says, water?
Exactly. Today we will make sure you never feel nervous at a restaurant again.
We'll give you easy sentences, real examples, and fun stories so you can speak with confidence.
All right, learners, sit back, relax, maybe imagine your favorite restaurant, and let's start.
And if you're listening with snacks, please share. We are very hungry hosts.
Okay, Marcus, focus. Let's begin our restaurant journey. So, imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. You feel a little nervous. You want to speak English clearly. What do you say first?
Easy start. You can say, table for two, please.
Yes, let's repeat slowly for our learners. Table for two, please.
You can change the number, like table for one or table for four.
Right. And if you want to ask politely, you can add, do you have a table available?
Pro tip. Smile. When you smile, your English sounds nicer, and people think you are friendly, not hungry and dangerous.
Marcus, nobody is dangerous because they want dinner.
You haven't seen me when I'm hungry. My face looks like a confused bear.
Okay, Mr. Bear. After they give you a table, the waiter usually says, here is the menu.
And then you can say, thank you. Can I have some water, please?
Perfect. Simple, polite, confident. Now, the waiter brings water and you're looking at the menu. Sometimes menus are confusing, right?
Oh, yes. You look and think, what is a quinoa super green power bowl?
If the menu has too many fancy words, don't panic. You can ask, what do you recommend?
Great sentence. And another one. Can you tell me more about this dish?
Yes, this helps you understand the food before you order.
And trust me, asking is better than accidentally ordering spicy level 100 fire noodles.
Oh no, your mouth becomes a volcano.
Exactly. So always ask questions politely and clearly.
Simple English, friendly tone, big confidence. Okay, now it's time to order. The waiter comes to your table and asks, are you ready to order?
If you are ready, you can say, yes, I am ready.
And then, I would like the pasta, please.
That sentence is gold. It's polite and clear. Everyone understands it.
Another example, I'll have the chicken sandwich.
And if you're not ready, you can say, can I have one more minute, please?
Or, I'm still deciding.
And please do not just stare at the waiter like a lost potato. Use your English.
Yes, talk. You're learning. You're growing. You're doing amazing.
We believe in you and your food choices.
All right, your food order is done. Good job. Now, sometimes the waiter asks, would you like anything to drink?
You can say, yes, I'd like a lemonade, or I'll have a cola, please.
Or if you don't want to drink, just say, no, thank you. Just water is fine.
And if you want to sound like a fancy movie star, say, still water, please.
Wow, Marcus, are you secretly rich?
No, Diana, but I do enjoy sounding expensive for free.
Another useful sentence is, can you make it without ice?
Good one. A lot of people don't like ice in their drinks.
Yes, and remember, it's okay to ask politely for less sugar or no sugar if you like healthy drinks.
Because we love food, but we also love staying alive.
Okay, so now you ordered your food and drinks. Time to relax and wait.
Yes, but sometimes your food arrives and it's not what you expected.
Right. Maybe you asked for no onions and your plate looks like an onion festival.
True story. So what do you say politely?
You can say, "Excuse me, I ordered this without onions."
Or, sorry, I think there is a mistake.
Always be polite. Remember, the restaurant staff is there to help you.
Yes, don't shout like a cartoon villain. Just smile and speak calmly.
Here's another helpful line. Can you please fix it?
Perfect. Short, simple, and kind. English plus kindness equals magic.
Great. Now your food is correct and finally on the table. Time to eat.
This is the best part. The moment when your stomach sings a happy song.
Yes. And while eating, maybe the waiter comes and asks, "How is everything?"
Easy answers you can use. It's good, thank you. Or, it's delicious.
If something is not perfect, you can say, "It's good, but a little too salty."
Yes, be honest but polite. Don't say, this tastes like the ocean exploded.
Marcus, nobody says that.
I say it. I love dramatic food reviews.
Learners, just keep it simple. Positive, clear, friendly English.
And enjoy your meal. You worked hard to order it.
Now, after you finish your main dish, something magical happens.
Yes, the dessert menu arrives like a beautiful dream.
Marcus and dessert. True love story.
Absolutely. If the waiter asks, "Would you like dessert?" you can say,
Yes. Can I see the dessert menu?
or if you're full, you can say,
No, thank you. I'm full.
or maybe just a small dessert because life is short.
You always find a reason to eat cake.
Cake is happiness, and we support happiness on this podcast.
Okay, so let's teach one more useful sentence. What do you recommend for dessert?
Good one. And remember, friends, you deserve a sweet treat sometimes.
All right, dessert is finished. You are happy, full, and maybe a little sleepy.
Yes. This is when you say one magic sentence. Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. And some countries say bill, some say check.
Exactly. In the US, you hear check. Like, can I have the check, please?
And if you want to pay with a card, you can say, I will pay by card.
Or if you have cash, you can say, I will pay in cash.
Sometimes the server asks, do you need a bag for leftovers if you didn't finish your food? You can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Simple, polite, and hey, leftover food is future happiness.
Yes, fridge treasure. So, you paid the bill, you enjoyed the food, and you used beautiful English today. Well done.
Seriously, give yourself a high five. You learned real phrases for real life.
Let's quickly review some key expressions. Table for two, please. I would like the pasta. Can I have water, please? Excuse me, I think there is a mistake. Can I have the bill, please?
Practice these, use them, and next time you go to a restaurant, you will speak with confidence, not panic like a hungry squirrel.
Yes. And remember, learning English is a journey. Every day you take one step forward.
We are proud of you. Keep going, keep smiling, and keep eating delicious food.
If you enjoyed today's episode, give us a like, drop a comment, and share this with your friends who want to improve English too.
And subscribe to our channel at Speak Easy English Podcast so you never miss fun English lessons like this.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time.
And don't forget, dessert is always a good idea.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking English with confidence.
And hey, everyone, make sure subscribe We Learn You English Speaking.